Alright guys, so last time we showed you how to do the little L part of the frame and how to notch it out and everything. And we glued the top in and the bottom in. Now we're going to go ahead and glue the actual frame in place, which we did not do last time. I'm just applying some crazy glue because it sticks a little bit quicker. But be careful because it does stick pretty fast. Alright, and I'm just going to apply that on there. Push it in place. Make sure you have it where you need it to go. Alright, and do the same exact thing with the other one.
Is it upside down or is it right?
No, that's right.
Okay.
Alright, so just kind of make sure you have them straight. You don't want them wonky, because if they're wonky, then your door is not going to fit in there. Alright, now for the top piece, and make sure you have the right one cut, you want to bring that down even with the inside molding right here. So the bottom of that should come even with the bottom of this.
And the top should line up once.
Yes. But again, it's going to stick pretty quickly, so you want to be careful. You really don't have much error time with this. Alright, and that's it. So you have the bottom part here, the top part here, and then that. Alright, and now you can watch the next video. It'll show you how to do the inside of the molding with the door. So look up the door video right after you're done this if you want to see it, on how we're going to make the screen door, and then how we use the duct tape hinge and apply that with the molding on the interior. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a question, suggestion, or comment below. If you have anything that you want to have made or you're curious about, you can email me or follow the Facebook page under Dollhouse Magic Madness and Tutorials. And, if it's something that we can do, then, we'll be glad to look at it and possibly do it. All right, again, like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified. Have a wonderful day.